Ebenezer, 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 you are my stone of help, only you are my helper. Ebenezer, 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 you are my stone of help, only you are my helper. When I call, you answer me. Jesus, when I'm down, you lift me up. You are my stone of help, only you are my helper. And so when I call, you answer me. When I am down, you lift me up. My stone of help, only you are my help. 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 Let me Jehovah. Only you are my help. I feel strongly that with this particular praise, it should end my speech. That is the truth. But for the sake of our event, there is nothing to add because the preacher did enumerate a lot of qualities and reasons why this event is commendable. It is not an easy thing for you to be on a stage just like we are today, and after performing, and you'll be remembered. So I'm happy that we're here. Every one of us here are associated with a good performance. Performance that has come and gone. Performance that is still on with the service commanders that are here with us. We also have the ones that are performing in the federal level. But at the end of the day, we are all performing for one purpose: the unity of Nigeria, protection of Nigeria. For we, as a government, we will continue to give our support, not just to the fallen heroes that we're doing, but also those ones that are alive, because they also need to continue to defend the integrity of our country. As a government, we are performing now. We are the one on this stage. My prayer is very simple. I pray to Almighty God, I should grant us the grace that we perform in a manner that when we leave, people will remember us positively, not for negative purpose. Let me, on this note, thank every one of us that has been fearless to attend this program first. We will be remembered positively. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.